Welcome to Growing Healthy Kids. I'm so excited you are here because together we are going to learn about healthy fruits and vegetables that we can grow in a garden. Our first lesson is called 6 Yummy Plant Parts. After this lesson, you will be able to name the parts of a plant, try a new fruit or vegetable using your senses, and become a food adventurer. I can't wait to show you how, so let's get started. Just in case you haven't met me before, my name is Miss Marson, and this is my friend, Miss Jennifer. We both work for Oregon State University Extension Service, and we will be your teachers for Growing Healthy Kids. Miss Jennifer has to go for now, but don't worry, you will see her soon. And meet my bunny Julius. He's my little sidekick. Together, we love to teach kids about nutrition and share the yummy fruits and vegetables we like to eat. Julius and I both love to eat carrots and strawberries. What kind of fruits and vegetables do you like to eat? That's great you like to eat so many different fruits and vegetables. But does anybody know why we eat fruits? Why do we eat vegetables? Looks like Julius has an idea. He says, because they taste good. Julius, I really like that reason. I can think of another reason why we eat fruits and vegetables too. Because they keep our bodies healthy. You can get fruits and vegetables from many different places, like the grocery store, a food bank, a farmer's market, even from your school lunch. But Growing Healthy Kids is all about vegetables and fruits that can grow in a garden. When we eat fruits and vegetables, we can say that we are eating a plant. That's right, fruits and vegetables are simply different parts of a plant we can eat. Let's use this picture of a sunflower to learn the parts of a plant. There are 6 of them all together. First, we have the roots. The roots help to hold the plant in the ground and take up water and nutrients from the soil. Some examples of roots we eat are carrots and onions. Next, we have the stem. The stem transports the water and nutrients from the roots. Some examples of stems we eat are rhubarb and asparagus. Then there are the leaves. I think leaves have the best job because they get to hang out in the sunshine. The leaves absorb the sunshine and turn it into food for the plant. Some examples of leaves we eat are collard greens and kale. On top is where we have the flower. The flower contains the parts of the plant needed for reproduction, which means to grow new plants. Some examples of flowers we eat are cauliflower and broccoli. The fruit of the plant is what holds and protects the seeds. Some examples of fruits that we eat are tomatoes and bell peppers. Last but not least, we have the seed of the plant. The seed is what grows into a new plant. Some examples of seeds we eat are peas and green beans. With so many different plant parts to choose from, we can all find something we like to help us stay healthy. A yummy way to stay healthy is to fill half your plate with fruits and veggies. I know what Julius fills his plate with. Like Julius, we all have our favorites, but it is important to eat a variety of different fruits and vegetables. Why? Well, good question. First, fruits and vegetables are different colors, and these different colors help us to get the nutrients our bodies need to stay healthy. Julius, what do you mean you don't like beets? I'm pretty sure you've never even tried a beet. Yeah, that's what I thought, Julius. I think it's time you learn to be a food adventurer. What's a food adventurer? Well, a food adventurer is someone who is willing to try new foods, including fruits and vegetables that are part of a healthy diet. But did you know? There are ways we can try a food without using our sense of taste. That's right, we can experience a new food using our other senses. We can use our sense of sight to look at a food. Our nose uses our sense of smell to smell a food. And our hands uses our sense of touch. Have you ever felt how bumpy a pumpkin can be? Food adventures can also describe the new food using adjectives. Adjectives are the words we use to describe things. When describing the taste of a food, it is important to not use words like yummy or nasty. This is because yummy and nasty are personal adjectives which reflect your personal taste. Try to be objective. This means to not let how you feel get in the way of describing a new food. Julius is going to become a food adventurer today by trying a new vegetable, fresh beets. He is going to use this worksheet to help him describe the beet using his senses. Before he tastes the beets, he is first going to wash his hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and water, and then rinse the beets under running water. It is important to wash our hands and the beets before we prepare, handle, or eat them. Clean hands will also help prevent you and others from getting sick. Now Julius is ready to try the beets. Using his eyes, Julius thinks the beet looks like a dark red radish. When he touches the beet, he thinks the beet feels cold and hard. When he uses his nose, Julius can tell the beet smells like soil. And when he tries the beet with his mouth, he thinks the beet tastes earthy and bitter. Nice job, Julius! You just earned your Food Adventurer sticker. Do you think you can try a new fruit or vegetable like Julius? I know you can! In Growing Healthy Kids, Miss Jennifer and I will be giving you missions that will help you become a food adventurer by trying something new. I have your first mission for you. Are you ready? Your mission is to find a fruit or vegetable that you have never tried before. It can be fresh, frozen, dried, or canned. Now I know trying something new can be scary, so if you are not ready to try it by tasting it, you can still use your sense of sight to look. You can use your sense of smell to smell, or you can use your sense of touch to feel a new fruit or vegetable. Using any or all of your senses will count. Earlier, you watched Julius try a new vegetable, beets. Did you know when we eat beets, our bodies get folate, a B vitamin that helps our cells to grow and reproduce? Julius liked the beets so much, he wanted to plant some beet seeds today in Rainbow Gardens. We named our garden Rainbow Gardens because we learned it is important to eat a variety of fruits and vegetables that are different colors, just like a rainbow. In Oregon, beets grow really well and are usually planted between April and July. Most beets will be ready to harvest, which means to pick, within 60 days after planting. That's only about 2 months. Looks like Julius won't be waiting long. You can try planting beets in your garden, or if you do not have a garden, you can try planting them in a container. To learn more, be sure to check out the Oregon Harvest for Schools video about beets. To find more information on gardening, including the Oregon Harvest for Schools videos, be sure to check out foodhero.org and click on the Gardening tab. There you will find tips for planting seeds such as beets, activity sheets, and more videos on how you can grow your own garden at home. All right, food adventurers, great job today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.